Assembly of 12 July on the topic, Is social media making us unsocial?
Social media is a major and dominant part of our lives now. Initially, it was a great tool for reconnecting with old friends and staying in touch with distant family. It felt revolutionary to have such easy access to people across the globe.
That's true, but now the constant notifications and the pressure to maintain a perfect online presence have taken a toll on genuine interactions. It's like we are replaced by deep conversations with superficial likes and comments.
Exactly. It's ironic how social media was supposed to bring us closer, but it seems like it is making us more unsocial, and it is not just the loss of face-to-face interactions. The life we see online often makes us feel ill and educate, leading to a sense of isolation. Now, I would like to invite my classmate Ravni to elaborate further on this topic. Ravni, please.
Today I have of class 10 standing before you all to deliver a speech on the topic, Is social media making us unsocial? Social media has played a big role in communication and bringing the world closer, reconnecting with old friends, interacting with people, networking and sharing content and ideas on platforms. But don't you think the same social media, which was supposed to bring the world closer, is creating boundaries for us and taking us away from our loved ones? Social media has replaced our experiences as well. While dining out, we let our food get cold to click those perfect images and share them online. Nowadays, people are traveling not for enjoyment but only for the sake of taking pictures and sharing them online. Traveling to temples such as Vrindavan, Puri has now become a trend. People go there just for showing off and not for their own self. Not only children but adults are also found to be busy in their mobile phones nowadays. This hackneyed use of digital devices has led to a negative impact on our emotional health. Excessive screen time has been linked to increased feelings of sadness and anxiety, as constant exposure to digital content can negatively impact our mood and emotional health. Disrupted sleep patterns. The blue light emitted by screens can interfere with our sleep, leading to poor sleep quality and insomnia. Brain function. Prolonged screen time can affect neuroplasticity, the brain's ability to adapt and change. This can result in decreased cognitive function and emotional regulation. Dopamine regulation. Social media engagement triggers the release of dopamine, the feel-good hormone associated with pleasure and reward. Excessive screen time can lead to dopamine dysregulation, contributing to addictive behaviors and dependency on digital devices. Attention span. Excessive screen time has been linked to reduced attention and difficulty in focusing, especially among children and adolescents. Now, you all might have observed that some of the problems listed here may be traced in you. So to get out from all these problems, we all must set boundaries for ourselves. When to use phone and when not. We should engage ourselves more in offline activities, use time tracking tools, practice mindfulness, and try to stay calm. Now I conclude here. Thank you and have a nice day.
Not present over here. Today, I, Vijaya Singh of class 10A, is going to recite a poem addressing the effects of social media. It is something we crave. Can we do without? Have we become lost in the pixels on a screen? Every day, we take snapshots of time. What have our lives become? We crave connections, yet lie on the couch. We swipe, scroll, click, and forgot those around us. Stop. Swipe the dust on the board games up on the shelf. Go camping with your friends without internet. Ask someone you know rather than Google. We are slipping from reality, addicted to those rectangles of metals and electricity. Thank you and have a nice day.
Good morning to one and all present over here. Today, I shall, on behalf of class 10th, going to present a speech on World Population Day. Today, we gather to commemorate World Population Day, a day dedicated to reflecting on the critical issues and opportunities that arise from a planet's growing population. Established by the United Nations Development Program in 1899. This day serves as a reminder of urgency and importance of addressing population-related challenges in our pursuit of a sustainable and equitable world. The global population has surpassed 8 billion people, each individual contributing to this tapestry of human diversity. One of the foremost challenges is ensuring that everyone has access to necessities: clean water, nutritious food, healthcare, and education. In many parts of the world, rapid population growth has strained resources and infrastructure, leading to disparities in living conditions and opportunities. World Population Day is observed annually on July 11th. It is crucial for several reasons. It raises awareness about global population issues, including the challenges overpopulation, aging population, declining birth rate in certain regions. Educating the public about these issues is essential decision making. Secondly, the day serves as an advocacy platform for policymakers to discuss and implement strategies related to population control and family planning and sustainable development. Effective policies can address the economic, social, and environmental impacts of population challenges. World Population Day encourages collective effort to address population-related challenges and promote a new sustainable future. Thank you and have a nice day.
कागज के दो पंख लेके उड़ा चला जाए रे, जहाँ नहीं जाना था ये वहीं चला हाय रे। उम्र का ये ताना बाना समझ न पाए रे, जुबां पे जो बनाया नमक लगाए रे, के देखे न भावे न जाने न दाए रे। दिशा हरा क्या बोका मुंटा रे। कागज के दो पंख लेके उड़ा चला जाए रे, जहाँ नहीं जाना था ये वहीं चला हाय रे। उम्र का ये ताना बाना समझ न पाए रे, जुबां पे जो बनाया नमक लगाए रे, के देखे न भाले न जाने न दाए रे। दिशा हरा क्या बोका मुंटा रे। लागे लोड़ना
you, children, for enlightening us in today's morning assembly with your thoughts, with your speeches, with your poem, and then ending it up with beautiful dance. Is social media making us unsocial? Nice topic taken up, which is familiar to all of us. We all know what social media is. Everything has its advantage and disadvantage. So does social media. In the speeches that children delivered today, they have already advised us that we need to use social media judiciously. It's there for us to help us share things and learn from it. So we need to use this platform for that, and at the same time ensure that we don't lose our touch with each other. I remember the days when we didn't have TV, had come quite later. Before the days of TV, evenings, the playgrounds of towns and townships were all full of children playing. Even the streets, children used to come out and play some or other game. Now the social media and the television, the net, the OTT channels, they have all brought a great difference. And it is affecting us. It is affecting our health. It is affecting our relationships. So this is the time when we as human beings should think about it. In the West, people are already taking actions against not spending too much time on the screen, whether mobile or TV. So this is what we also need to learn from that, so that we remain healthy both physically and mentally. One more thing that I want to point out is a few tips regarding your pronunciation. Certain words, certain names, when we are talking in English and when we talk in Hindi, they change. When we say something about England in English, it is England. When we are talking in Hindi, England becomes England. So you need to remember the difference. आप हिंदी में बात कर रहे हो, इंग्लैंड के बारे में कुछ बोलना है तो क्या बोलोगे? इंग्लैंड. और इंग्लिश में बोलना होगा तो England. Like, for example, in English we say Ganges. In Hindi it becomes Ganga. In English we say Socrates. In Hindi it becomes सुकरात. कई सारे नाम ऐसे बदलते हैं, तो आपको ध्यान देना होगा और ऐसी चीजों में भी आप अपने आप को करेक्ट करें. Then another thing that at times you make error. Now it is less, but few of you make it. Like for example, I will say, I, Sukhwant Singh, is going to deliver a speech. Is it right? What should I say? I, Sukhwant Singh. What should I say? Is or am? Am going to deliver a speech. I am going to talk to you. It's like suppose I have to say, I am going to deliver a speech. I am going to talk to you. And in between we are adding extra information that I, so and so, am going to deliver. We will not say, I, so and so, is going to. Okay? All of you please remember these little things. Today we are going to have inter-house competition for English speech and debate, and we shall be conducting it in the assembly, soon after the assembly. It will be conducted in the library. For Group D, we'll begin with Group D immediately after the assembly. Ninth A children will report to the library. After the break, we'll conduct for group A. 3A will report to the library along with the participants. Then it will be followed by group B. 5A students will report to library when teachers will come and call you. And then we'll end with group C, where 8A will attend. So wait for your teachers. You will be inside the classrooms. Your classes, all other classes will remain. Their teaching will go on. And teachers are requested to kindly follow the routine. The arrangement has to be taken up seriously. Please ensure that classes do not go uncovered. Thank you.